also work with another method where I tie knots and strings and then mount it on across the image. Sometimes I use many strings on a piece, and sometimes I only use very few but very precisely placed. In this method, the images are mounted on cardboard and then cut right to the edge. It's a very direct and simple method, but it requires a lot of patience. It's also like adding another layer of meaning. Not often, but once in a while I use this nylon fabric to create a layer that is blurred the image. Sometimes I just put it over very plain, and then it becomes like a new raster, and it makes the image actually more sharp.